Michaela just surprised me with this masterpiece. Look at what she did to the apartment. It's spooky. When he says come over. Now I'm obviously super inspired to transform myself into the spookier, better version of myself. I think I'm gonna Halloweenist myself and do some Halloween makeup. But first, I'm about to make an Instagram poll to ask the general public what my chaser should be. Old Dr. Pepper was the winner so far. I'm gonna choose that anyways. Here goes nothing. Cheers! Wish you were doing this with me. Well.
Go off, sis! Oh my gosh, I can't. Go, go, go!
Update, I've taken 3 shots and I feel it a little bit. Thinking I should take 1 more, maybe 2. I feel God in this Chili's tonight. Cheers.
Go, 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 go! Wow.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Okay, so I'm on my 6th shot.
Sis, I have great news. You're gone. I can see it in your little eyeballs. They don't know where to go. You look like that emoji that's like, ah.
Okay, so here we are. We are going to recreate James Charles's look on Kylie Jenner, the skull look. Okay, so first to start off with, James Charles does like a cute golden brown purple smoky eye on Kai. So that's what I'm gonna do today right now. I'm going to use this shade first. It's this butternut squash looking colored bitch. Let's just keep pounding her out, but not pounding her out, you know? Kai, if you want to put me on your PR list, if anyone should be on your PR list, it's Michaela Long. The AC just turned on, probably recognized my hot breath. This is fun. So I already put purple on my eyes, I think. I'm gonna put a little bit more just to be sure. And then I'm gonna go ahead and watch the video again because I don't remember. Now we're gonna go ahead and hollow out the white parts of the skull. And I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and shave out that skull part, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and just circle this in with the white.
It's all coming together. I can see it.
Do I look okay? Because I'm not okay.
Yes.
I'm going to start using the black stick to outline the shadows. Is there anything that I missed on the white parts?
Oh, white stuff all over your face. It looks really good.
So I'm just gonna do the shadows with this stick from Wet n Wild in the shade black. And then I'm just gonna go off.
And then you're gonna go off? You haven't already gone off?
I have not already gone off. And that's the tea. I'm just gonna go ahead and like envision what the shadows would be. Because I feel like that's more authentic.
How are you feeling?
I'm drunk. I'm drunk and I'm coloring my bulbous nose. What else can I do? I should go up more.
It looks amazing.
No!
What's that?
I don't know. I just want it up because I wanted my nose to look skinny. Should I delete it?
This looks really good.
It doesn't.
It looks correct.
This is not Hex on My Ex. This is Jaclyn Hill featuring her 2 shades of purple. I couldn't tell you what they're called, but I'm gonna go ahead and just color that in. Give me a minute. I'm trying to like absorb these colors. I know that my teeth look like giblets. They look like giblets. I would do anything for some guac and chips right now. like, and subscribe. This is my school makeup look. Swipe up if you want to know how I did this look. If not, I do not blame you because I know that this is not real. And this is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me.
Don't get me wrong, it looks amazing. Although it has taken a bit of a satanic turn. I feel uncomfortable. So I think your next move is washing it off immediately.
Okay, thank you. I was trying to be Kylie Jenner. I don't get it. Hey, Rosie. I just want you to know I wasn't trying to steal your brand. I sobered up and I realized I didn't even put eyelashes on. Okay, go off, sis, but that burned my eyes. I'm gonna sign off for tonight. It's 7:53 a.m. I just woke up. Very sad about all the events that occurred last night. I also woke up to a quite embarrassing Instagram story. I don't know how I get to these places.
You downloaded Facebook and
I got so scared because that's something I would do. So, if you stuck through and watched this video, I just would like to say thank you very much. I am very swollen right now. I think I'm gonna attempt to go back to bed, or I might go get Bloody Marys. Wish me luck.